Welcome to Intelmaps Help. I'll list what you can do to get started. Uplink. Click on the Uplink icons to show the related spawns for both the Marsic and Volk factions. Do not press two uplinks together as some spawn points are shared and problems can arise. Player. It is possible to place both Volk and Marsic players by clicking on the relative button. With the double click, a dead player will be created. By clicking on the player icon, you can rotate the direction, each time by 30 degrees. You can click and drag to move around the map. Labels. You can create labels of various styles by pressing the relative button, and then writing your text in the composition pop-up. These objects can be dragged to move them to the preferred position. Draw areas. You can draw polygonal areas by pressing the relative button, choosing the color and then clicking on the map several times. The double click ends the editing of the area. Draw routes. You can draw lines or angular paths, clicking to start and clicking each time to create a corner, double click to end the path. You can choose the color and size of the line. Place utilities. You will be able to place the utilities on the map. C4, grenades, smoke bombs, flashbangs. You can move them by clicking and dragging. For C4s, you will only be able to use 2 for game settings. The number of utilities used will be shown on the button itself. Delete elements. By clicking on the Erase On button, you will enter the erase mode. At this point, by clicking on each element you have previously entered, it will be deleted. Delete all. By pressing the reset button, a second confirmation button will be shown for deleting everything that has been entered in the map. Export the map. Once you have entered your elements and created your map, you can save a PNG file on your computer. You will be asked for a name to give to the file, which will also be printed in the exported map. Navigator. At the bottom left you will find the navigator to move around the map. By clicking on the edges and dragging it you can move it in the window. You can also zoom using the trackpad or mouse wheel. And by clicking on the map you can, by dragging, move. In 360 degrees maps, clicking and moving will rotate the view. Maps menu. At the top right there is the menu with which you can move in the various maps of the application. Attention! Changing the map, everything you have entered will be deleted without the possibility of recovering it.